stick to the rules. Consistency daily, that's how winners stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. From red days to green days, that's part of the climb. It's a marathon hustle, not a sprint this time. So I trade with conviction, vision never fading. Cash king on the charts, motivation trading. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm grinding every sunrise, vision in my sight, stacking up the knowledge, I'm prepared for the fight. From the late nights hustling to the charts I slay, I know I'm gonna touch $1 million one day. Pressure turned to diamonds and I was built from the pain. Every loss is just a lesson, every scar is a game. Cash king mentality, I pay my own way. A bank account heavy, that's the goal I portray. Dreams ain't distant, I can feel it in my hands. Turning small flips daily to a legacy. Turning small flips daily to a legacy that stands. No fear, no doubt, just the price I gotta pay. Cause I know I'm gonna make $1 million worth. Hit that chart, watch the candles glow. Stacking up gains, yeah, my money gon' grow. Locked in my profit, I don't let it slide. Secure that bag, let the market decide. Click that close, now my pocket's getting heavy. Discipline, sharp hands, steady like a Chevy. Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game. Wrist stay tight, but the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000.
Yo, it's your boy Cash King. What's down? Hope your morning is going good. Kind of like mine is, you know what I mean? Let's get into it. Go ahead, sweetie. Watch TV. Alright, so everything is playing out the way I want it to play out. Everything. Hold on, give me a second.
Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine.
All right, I'm back. All right, so we did get that price. Why it looks like that? Hold on, let's go to the Lord. We did get that rejection here that I was looking for. I was looking for price to reject here and start pushing right back down. And also, we're below this major zone right here. So that's another thing that, you know, another confirmation that we could be pushing down again, um, which I think we're going to push lower. That's just what I think going to happen. Think we're going to push lower than this, and no telling where we're going if we push lower. But yeah, I really see that price could push lower, and yeah, that's my analysis for this week. But where I want to take the trade today is I want to kind of take it here, about right here. Take it right in the middle of everything. Take it right here. And I want my stop loss to be above here. If price begins to drop again, I want it to be above here. And I want to take it to here. 1 or 2 right here. 2 down here. I'm gonna make this different colors as well. I want to see price come down here today. If price start to push down, I want to see price hit here, which this would be TP1 and this would be TP2. So let's see, could that happen today? You know what I mean? It'd be a nice little trade to the downside. I don't know if I'll probably just stick with the micro, because I really do want to do a mini, but I'm afraid to do a mini because the minis be messing me up and making me nervous. So I'd rather just not use the mini. I mean, yeah, not use the mini and use the micro. Let me check to see if my YouTube is straight. My stream. There we go. All right, so yeah, that's what I'm looking at, and that's what I see. I can see price start pushing down. If to anywhere, I can see it push down to here. But who knows? You never know. You never know if it's gonna push down. But this is where I want to take my entry right here. And yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I gotta give them a call. But give me a second.
I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green as a story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green, that's the story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Started with 1400, now I'm chasing racks. Turn a small account big, watch me run it back. Now it's 100 on the charts, gold in the frame. Wrist tight, profit right, yeah, I'm locked in the game. 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, no sleep, I don't lie. Every pip count is stacking up slow. Compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just less, if profits in my hand, cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. No shortcuts here, just the grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near. Down low, my vision stay high. Ain't no plan and focus, gotta stick it to a line. Every pip count is stacking up, so compound that growth, they gon' know. No shortcuts here, just the grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near. Yeah. 1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just less, if profits in my hand, cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just less, there's profits in my hand, cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, I don't sleep, I don't lie. Every pip count is stacking up slow. Compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just less, there's profits in my hand, cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. No shortcuts here, just the grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near.
Cash King in the building. Grab your snacks, grab your charts, let's get it. Welcome to the stream where the hustle don't sleep. Cash King live, yeah, the profits run deep. NAS on the rise, gold in my zone. Big plays only when I'm sitting on the throne, yeah. I'm locking early, candles look mean. Wrist tight, entries clean, you know the routine. Top step funded, payout stack. Every trade I take, I'm getting that back way. I'm getting that back way. I'm getting that back. Welcome to the stream where the hustle don't sleep. Cash King live, yeah, the profits run deep. NAS on the rise, gold in my zone. Big plays only when I'm sitting on the throne, yeah. Drop a deal if you feel that vibe. We trade it smart, we don't chase that hype. Chat going crazy when the candle drop low. Cash King name, yeah, they already know. Welcome to the stream. Turn me up, yeah, we living that dream. Every day another bag to redeem. Cash King live, this the winning team, yeah. It's the winning team, yeah.
All right, I'm back.
It's the winning team.
So yeah, just gonna have to wait for something to happen. We also I also took a trade up here. I took a trade right up here, and I got out because it's a possibility that price could push right back up here because there's a gap up here. So I said, let me go ahead and just take my profit. I took my profit, and yeah, that's what I did. I took my profit because I wasn't too confident. This price starting to look like it was rejecting, so I took my profit. I made 412 and I lost $30 because I tried to take another sale, but you gotta know how that is, you know what I mean? But hopefully it don't pass this major zone. If anything, it just touches major zone and push right back down. Because that'll probably be better for me if it was to do that. But if not, then hey, it is what it is. Well, if it start pushing back up, then hey, it's obviously it's bullish, but I don't feel like it's bullish. I feel like it's bearish. That's just how I feel. I've been saying that since forever, and it's been playing out. It's been playing out the way I wanted to play out. I just never caught nothing from it, and that's crazy, right? It always happened like that. I don't know why, but yeah.
Profit still growing. No cap, I'm playing smart. Top step taught me discipline art.
Every loss just part of the grind. Cash king mindset, peace of mind. Hey,
So what time it is? 9:12. Have a few minutes to 9:30. Hopefully price could start dropping right here, boom, and drop below to TP1, TP2, and we good to go. But if it don't do that, then hey, that's too easy. But yeah, there's nothing else for me to say, so I'm gonna go ahead and mute my mic, let the music play. And yes, sir.
I took some losses, but I'm still in the fight. Those 100 dreams, yeah, my future look bright. Charts get tough, but I level up. Cash king on the rise, I won't give up. Markets test me, but I stay strong. Every setback just makes me belong. Yeah, one day soon I'ma fill my cup. Through the pain, through the struggle, I won't give up. I took some losses, but I'm still in the fight. There's 100 dreams, yeah, my future look bright. Charts get tough, but I level up. Cash king on the rise, I won't give up. Markets test me, but I stay strong. Every setback just makes me belong. And one day soon I'ma fill my cup. Through the pain, through the struggle, I won't give up.
I'm kind of tempted to take a sell. I can take a sell right here, and my stop loss be up here because I really feel like it might reject from here. But let's see if that's gonna happen. 'Cause I could take it early. I really could take it early, but I'm not gonna do that because that always happened to me. But if I was to take a sell, I would take it right here now. Have stop loss above here, and yeah, that's what I would do. But mute my mic again.
NAS100 money coming in all night. I'm riding NAS100, speed like a jet. Candle flames burning, I ain't breaking a sweat. Charts on the screen, yeah, I'm watching every tick. Stacking up the profits, make it flip real quick. Wrist stops locked, playing like a king. Cash flow heavy when the market start to swing. Indices move fast, gotta ride that way. Cash king in the game, yeah, the bag gets saved. Breakouts hitting, bulls run wild. A bear's taking over, I stay versatile. Scalp it, swing it, flip it on sight. NAS100 money coming in all night.
account, chasing racks, turn a small account big, watch me run it back. Now it's 100 on the charts, gold in the frame, wrist tight, profit right, yeah, I'm locked in the game. 1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand, cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, I don't sleep, I don't lie. Every pip counting, stacking up slow, compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand, cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. I'm shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts, from the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear, cash king the name and the time is near. Down low, my vision stay high, ain't no cutting focus, gotta stick it to a line. Every pip count is stacking up slow, compound that growth, they gon' know. Shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts, from the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear, cash king the name and the time is near. 1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand, cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low. But 1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand, cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, I don't sleep, I don't lie. Every pip counting, stacking up slow, compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand, cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. No shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts, from the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear, cash king the name and the time is near.
I took some losses, but I'm still in the fight. Those 100 dreams, yeah, my future look bright. Charts get tough, but I level up. Cash king on the rise, I won't give up. Markets test me, but I stay strong. Every setback just makes me belong. Yeah, one day soon I'ma fill my cup. Through the pain, through the struggle, I won't give up. I took some losses, but I'm still in the fight. There's 100 dreams, yeah, my future look bright. Charts get tough, but I level up. Cash king on the rise, I won't give up. Markets test me, but I stay strong. Every setback just makes me belong. And one day soon I'ma fill my cup. Through the pain, through the struggle, I won't give up.
finding every sunrise, vision in my sight, stacking up the knowledge, I'm prepared for the fight. From the late nights hustling to the charts I slay, I know I'm gonna touch $1 million one day. Pressure turned to diamonds and I was built from the pain. Every loss is just a lesson, every scar is a gain. Cash king mentality, I paid my own way. A bank account heavy, that's the goal I portray. Dreams ain't distant, I can feel it in my hands. Turning small flips daily to a legacy. Turning small flips daily to a legacy that stands. No fear, no doubt, just the price I gotta pay. 'Cause I know I'm gonna make $1 million one.
Wake up early, markets on my mind, charts in my vision, profits on the grind, discipline steady, emotions on lock. Patience is the weapon when I'm watching every stock. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. Candles dancing, momentum on the rise. I see opportunity clear right before my eyes. No FOMO, no greed, stick tight to the rules. Consistency daily, that's how winners stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand.
All right. Got 5 minutes to 9:30. All right, once I hit my entry, my stop loss is gonna go up here. And my TP, this is gonna be my TP1. My TP2 gonna be here, as I said before. And we're gonna see what it's gonna do. This might be like maybe $100 risk, I'm not sure. So yeah, let's see how this plays out if it do come to my entry, because I see that price rejected here before it start pushing up. Tried to push back to the major zone, but it fell right back down. So it could just push back up to the major zone or push above that major zone. I can also see that as well. So if we start going back above that major zone, then more than likely it's just going to push up today. Because going above that major zone is very important, very, very, very important. If we go above that major zone, then more than likely price might just continue to push right back up here, and that's what I don't want. But if it decides to get above here, then I just go ahead and buy it. Go ahead and buy it up here, that back up here, and it might even break the high. But I still don't feel like it's going to do that. I don't think it's going to come back up here until we start going back above to break the high. So this might play out. It might play out. If anything, I close my trade right here early. If it was to come down here and come right back up, I close it early. So got 3 minutes. Let's do this. Make some money.
Top step taught me discipline art. Every loss just part of the grind. Cash king mindset, peace of mind. Payout season, yeah, I'm eating no stress. Top step wired up, money looking blessed. 5 days green, keep that drawdown clean. Now I'm cashing out, living trade a dream. Yeah, express funding, no fear inside. I don't chase the market, I let it ride. From ever pain to that payout smile. Cash king got funded, it's been a while.
Yo, yo, yo. It's Cash King in the building. Grab your snacks, grab your charts, let's get it.
Welcome to the stream where the hustle don't sleep. Cash king live, yeah, the profits run deep. NAS on the rise, gold in my zone. Big plays only when I'm sitting on the throne, yeah. I'm locking early, candles look mean. Wrist tight, entries clean, you know the routine. Top step funded, payout stack. Every trade I take, I'm getting that back way. I'm getting that back way. I'm getting that back. Welcome to the stream where the hustle don't sleep. Cash king live, yeah, the profits run deep. NAS on the rise, gold in my zone. Big plays only when I'm sitting on the throne, yeah. Drop a deal if you feel that vibe. We trade it smarter, we don't chase that hype. Chat going crazy when the candle drop low. Cash king name, yeah, they already know. Welcome, 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 welcome to the stream. Turn me up, yeah, we living that dream. Every day another bag to redeem. Cash king live, this the winning team, yeah. It's the winning team, yeah. It's the winning team.
All right, it's 9:30. Let's see what it's gonna do. Are we gonna push above this major zone? If we push above this major zone, I'm gonna go ahead and buy it. Well, nah, I'm not gonna buy it. I'm not gonna buy it. I'm gonna trust my setup. When the market start to swing, indices move fast, gotta ride that wave. Cash king in the game, yeah, the bag gets saved. Breakouts hitting, bulls run wild. A bear's taking over, I stay versatile. Scalp it, swing it, flip it on sight. NAS100 money coming in all night. I'm riding NAS100, speeding like a jet. Candle flames burning, I ain't breaking a sweat. Charts on the screen, yeah, I'm watching every tick. Stacking up the profits, make it flip real quick. Wrist stops locked, playing like a king. Cash flow heavy when the market start to swing. Indices move fast, gotta ride that way. Cash king in the game, yeah, the bag gets saved. Breakouts hitting, bulls run wild. A bear's taking over, I stay versatile. Scalp it, swing it, flip it on sight. NAS100 money coming in all night.
Chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green, that's the story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game.
We rejected off of this. That's a good sign. We rejected off of this again. That's a perfect sign. Start pushing back down. I'm okay to take this trade. I feel good about it. I feel real good about it. If it hit my entry, I feel great.
Charts on fire, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green, that's the story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold.
I'm just waiting for my intro to get hit. And I got a group too. Got a little group where we all share ideas on NASDAQ.
Stacking up gains, yeah, my money gon' grow. Locked in my profit, I don't let it slide. Secure that bag, let the market decide. Click that close, now my pocket's getting heavy. Discipline, sharp hands, study like a Chevy. Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game. Risk stay tight, but the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits.
Price could be coming up to touch that major zone one more time, or touch this line, because I think this is where it stops over to the left, or a little bit above it. So also price could reject there too. That's considered still in between that major zone. Until we break above fully, then you can look for buys. But other than that, I'm not gonna do that. Stole a wick right there. Let me push it up. This is the highest it go. So I'll be looking for buys there if price wants to push higher. But it looks like it's really struggling here, which is perfect. That's what I want. I want to see price struggles there, and then the bears push in. Once the bears start coming in, shouldn't be no issue. But right now, the bulls and the bears are fighting, and I want to see who's gonna win. But if a dude decides to push above that major zone, the bulls start getting more of an advantage in the fight. So definitely want to pay attention to that as well. Like right up in this area, got to pay attention to that, because you know it can be something right there. Right between here and here. I don't want to extend it all the way up. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna extend it. So right here. So we still in the red zone until we pass here, and then price start pushing up. But if we don't even pass here, that just means that price is gonna push down. 930 didn't push it down, and 930 barely pushed it up. So we're kind of in between right now. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. All right, there we go. All right, so we kind of in between right now. Because I really don't want it to come back up here and close this gap in, because then that means it will push it up. I need it to stay below. Stay below, NAS. NAS, stay down, bro. Do not come up. Stay down.
Success in my trades.
Patience the key.
No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story. I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the cash king glow.
Maybe I didn't. All right. Yo, yo, yo.
Cash King in the building. Grab your snacks, grab your charts, let's get it. Welcome to the stream where the hustle don't sleep. Cash King live, yeah, the profits run deep. NAS on the rise, gold in my zone. Big plays only when I'm sitting on the throne, yeah. I'm locking early, candles look mean.
I'm gonna make this red.
You know the routine. Top step funded, payout stack. Every trade I take, I'm getting that back. I'm getting that back. I'm getting that back. Welcome to the stream where the hustle don't sleep. Cash King live, yeah, the profits run deep. NAS on the rise, gold in my zone. Big plays only when I'm sitting on the throne, yeah. Drop a deal if you feel that vibe. We trade it smart, we don't chase that high. Chat going crazy when the candle drop low. Cash King name, yeah, they already know. Welcome to the stream. Turn me up, yeah, we living that dream. Every day another bag to redeem. Cash King live, this the winning team, yeah. It's the winning team, yeah.
It's the winning team, baby. We win over here.
Winning team.
All my imaginary viewers. I got thousands of viewers right now. We're winning. We're winning. We just waiting on that entry.
Charts light up, I move with precision. Clip stacking daily, I'm locked in the vision. Now 100 climbing gold in the bag. Wrist tight, stop loss, I don't chase, I snag. From 1-400, flipped it to racks. Discipline strong, I don't fall in the traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound the wins, that's well from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the Cash King glow. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the Cash King glow. Charts light up, I move with precision. Clip stacking daily, I'm locked in the vision. Now 100 climbing gold in the bag. Wrist tight, stop loss, I don't chase, I snag. From 1-400, flipped it to racks. Discipline strong, I don't fall in the traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound the wins, that's well from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the Cash King glow.
Yeah, I'm riding NAS100, speed like a jet. Candle flames burning, I ain't breaking a sweat. Charts on the screen, yeah, I'm watching every tick. Stacking stacking up the profits, make it flip real quick. Wrist tight, stops locked, playing like a king. Cash flow heavy when the market start to swing. Indices move fast, gotta ride that wave. Cash king in the game, yeah, the bag gets saved. Breakouts hitting, bulls run wild. A bear's taking over, I stay versatile. Scalp it, swing it, flip it on sight. NAS100 money coming in all night. I'm riding NAS100, speed like a jet. Candle flames burning, I ain't breaking a sweat. Charts on the screen, yeah, I'm watching every tick. Stacking up the profits, make it flip real quick. Wrist stops locked, playing like a king. Cash flow heavy when the market start to swing. Indices move.
All right, it's getting volatile.
Cash king in the game, yeah,
Getting volatile, baby.
Breakouts hitting, bulls
Sir.
run wild. A bear's taking over, I stay
All right.
versatile.
Getting
Scalp
closer
it,
and
swing it,
closer.
flip it on
What I
sight.
want.
NAS100 money coming in all night.
And we got news at 9:45. Forgot. Got news at 9:45. So that's something to pay attention to. News. Forgot about news. Stay up there, please. Please don't put me in. Please don't put me in. I'm begging you, don't put me in before news. Please. Because I don't want nothing affecting this trade. Nothing. I might even bring them. I might bring down my stop loss just a little bit more. See if we're gonna reject off of this, reject off of that, and I don't know. I'm still gonna have my setup right there just in case.
Markets test me, but I stay strong. Every setback just makes me belong. Yeah, one day soon I'ma fill my cup. Through the pain, through the struggle, I won't give up.
All right, we got 1 minute.
Some losses, but I'm still in the fight.
All right, it's 9:45.
NAS100 dreams, yeah, my future look bright. Charts get tough, but I level up.
Just made.
Cash king
Good job.
on the rise, I won't give up.
Oh, he jumped in.
Markets test me,
Oh, you jumped?
but I stay strong. Every setback just makes me belong. And one day soon I'ma fill my cup. Through the pain, through the struggle, I won't give up.
Really nice, bro. That's cool. That's what's up. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and step away. I'll be back.
I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green as a story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green, that's the story get cold, stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I'll uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Yeah. Yeah, cash king in the zone again. Top step payout, I'm gone again. Started from eval, now I'm on the throne. Click that withdraw, profit in my phone. Payout season, yeah, I'm eating no stress. Top step wired up, money looking blessed. 5 days green, keep that drawdown clean. Now I'm cashing out, living trade a dream. Woke up early, charts on fire. NAS100 got me feeling inspired. Locked in risk, no FOMO trades. Discipline rich, that's how legends are made. Check the dashboard, profits gleam. Consistency rule, yeah, I know the scheme. Hit the profit target, patience on repeat. Now they sending that payout, feeling the lead. Payout season, yeah, I'm eating no stress. Top step wired up, money looking blessed. 5 days green, keep that drawdown clean. Now I'm cashing out, living trade a dream. 50K account, now I'm stacking more. Got two funded, that's double the score. Risk control, tighter than my trade plan. One contract flip, I'm a made man. From the sim to the real, took some pain. Now I'm building wealth, not chasing fame. Withdraw, hit my bank, screen still glowing. Consistency locked, profit still growing. No tilt, no cap, I'm playing smart. Top step taught me discipline art. Every loss just part of the grind. Cash king mindset, peace of mind. Payout season, yeah, I'm eating no stress. Top step wired up, money looking blessed. 5 days green, keep that drawdown clean. Now I'm cashing out, living trade a dream. Yeah, express funding, no fear inside. I don't chase the market, I let it ride. From ever pain to that payout smile. Cash king got funded, it's been a while. Wake up early, markets on my mind. Charts in my vision, profits on the grind. Discipline steady, emotions on lock. Patience is the weapon when I'm watching every stock. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. Candles dancing, momentum on the rise. I see opportunity clear right before my eyes. No FOMO, no greed, stick tight to the rules. Consistency daily, that's how winners stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. From red days to green days, as part of the climb, it's a marathon.
All right, could this be it? Could we start coming right back down? Or are we going to go higher? Which one is it? Are we going to go higher? Test up here? Or are we going to push down? That's what I want to know. gonna wait on this one. Definitely gonna wait on it. So this might be a long stream today. If it don't play out, I already made money for Sunday. I already made money Sunday, so I'll be all right. I'll be straight. If I don't take a trade, I'll be straight.
Started with 1400, now I'm chasing racks. Turn a small account big, watch me run it back. Now it's 100 on the charts, gold in the frame, wrist tight, profit right. Yeah,
why is this one? It looks different on this one. Like, what's going on? Why is this moving different from? Oh, never mind. I know why. I know why. I know why now.
Every pip count is stacking up slow, compound that growth, let the whole world know.
It's delayed. Definitely delayed. I'm like, why is this moving down?
Loss is just less, if profits in my hand, cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. I'm shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts, from the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K.
All right, we getting close to that major zone.
Cash king the name.
Getting close to that major zone. Let's see. I don't want him to push above that major zone.
10K target vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near. 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Loss is just less, there's profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am.
Draw down low. Draw down low.
1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Loss is just less, there's profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, no sleep, I don't lie. Every pip count is stacking up slow. Compound that growth, let the whole world know.
Just let me know everything. Are we gonna reject from this major zone? Are we gonna push up? Just let me know everything I need to know right here.
Go
ahead, delete that.
Cash king, the name and the time is near. Grinding every sunrise, vision in my sight.
All right.
Stacking up the knowledge.
Okay.
For the fight.
We above that major zone.
Late nights hustling to the charts I slay. I know I'm gonna touch $1 million one day. Pressure turned to diamonds, and I was built from the pain. Every loss is just a lesson.
Now, if we don't stop falling back below, then more than likely price is gonna continue to push up, push all the way up here. More than likely. Also, if price fall back below here, I'm gonna go ahead and take it a little bit early. I take it early right here. If it falls back down, I take it early. And I take it right here. About right here. Nah, let's take it right here. Take it right here, stop loss, be above. I really would want it above here, but this would be good right here. Above here.
Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game.
And we take it down, baby.
But the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine.
Sometimes you just gotta wait on that trade that A plus setup trade. You gotta wait on it sometime. It's okay. You know, let it do whatever it's trying to do. Because once it drops, it's gonna drop. See, it's struggling right now.
Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game.
We'll move this up here.
Stay tight, but the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine.
There we go. Price is pushing right back below that major zone. That's perfect. That's what I want. I want to see it continue to push down. That volume starting to pick up too. That's nice. That's nice. That's what I want to see. Be a nice entry. I could really enter now and just test it out. Stop loss be above here, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait because I need confirmation to let me know that we are pushing down. I need to see that, but it looks like that's what I want to do. As long as price is coming back down below that major zone, that's perfect. Now we just need this candlestick to start pushing down. That'll let me know a lot. We need a nice bearish engulfing candlestick as well. If we don't get that, that's fine too. Sometimes we're not going to get that unless you go to the higher time frame, maybe like the 5 minute or something like that. Might get it on the 5 minute. I don't know. All right, we have a few seconds until this 5 minute candlestick closes. Let's see where we're going to close at. Even if we close above, still don't matter. Don't matter just yet. All right, it looks like, okay, what are we doing right here? Look at that. Now, if that falls, that lets me know everything that I need to know. Lets me know everything that I need to know. See how it's struggling? It's struggling. It's struggling right here. It's struggling. So let's see who's gonna win this fight.
Cash king on the charts, motivation trading. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit.
Go ahead on and wait on it. If it starts dropping nice, then that's how you know that the banks want to bring this thing down. The banks want to bring it lower. But if it starts pushing up high, then that means we're gonna test these levels. We're gonna test this high up here, this recent high that it made, and more than likely we ain't coming back down. It made its decision up, but we still in that zone. We still in that what if zone.
Those 100 dreams, yeah, my future look bright. Charts get tough, but I level up. Cash king on the rise, I won't give up.
Still in that what if zone right quick.
Markets test me, but I stay strong. Every setback just makes me belong. Yeah, one day soon I'ma fill my cup. Through the pain, through the struggle, I won't give up. I took some losses, but I'm still in the fight. Now it's 100 dreams, yeah, my future look bright. Charts get tough, but I level up. Cash king on the rise, I won't give up. Markets test me, but I stay strong. Every setback just makes me belong. And one day soon I'ma fill my cup. Through the pain, through the struggle, I won't give
Yo, people, man, they got some scamming people, bro. Like some really bad people in this world, bro. This is crazy. That's funny. That's funny. All right, here we go. There we go. Could this be it? Could this be it? Need prices to stop falling like drastically, like crazy right now. Start getting in this area, and then it should just plummet. It should just plummet. As soon as it get in this area, it should just plummet and just keep coming straight down. No problem.
From the late nights hustling to the charts I slay.
I might take it early. I think I want to take it early.
Touch $1 million one day. Pressure turned to diamonds, and I was built from the pain.
I take it early.
Every loss is just a lesson. Every scar is a game.
About right here. Because it should come straight down. Straight down.
Bank account heavy, that's the goal I portray.
Stop loss be right here, a little bit above that. We're gonna do it just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Take that entry, stop sell. We're gonna do a 1 as usual.
No fear, no doubt, just the price I gotta pay. 'Cause I know I'm gonna make $1 million one. Chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green, that's a story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup.
I'm so glad. I'm so glad I ain't getting right now. Come right back down. Come right back down. I really don't like my entry being right there, but it ain't gonna look perfect. I tell you that. I tell you that much. It ain't gonna look perfect. It's still below here, so that's still good for me. That's still good for me.
Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green, that's a story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold.
What is that entry? 25, 330. 25, 330.
Charts light up, I move with precision. Pip stacking daily, I'm locked in the vision. Now 100 climbing gold in the bag. Wrist tight,
Wait,
stop
nah.
loss, I don't chase, I snag.
We're gonna bring it up.
1-400,
About right here. 25, 367.
Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound the wins, that's what from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the cash king glow. Success in my trades. Patience the key.
Yeah.
No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story. I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the cash king glow.
Yeah. Trying to see if it's going to stay above this major zone or fall back
Charts
below.
light up, I move with precision. Pip stacking daily, I'm locked in the vision. Now 100 climbing, gold in the bag. Wrist tight, stop loss, I don't chase, I snag. From 1-400, flipped at the racks. Discipline strong, I don't fall in the traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound the wins, that's well from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story. I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the cash king glow.
You're not bullish until it stays above. Get down, girl. What's wrong with you?
Hit that chart, watch the candles glow.
That man gonna be like, dang, you was right, bro. You was right. So he gonna be like, you was right. Like, yeah, bro, I know. I do this, bro. I do this. This is what I do. I know. I know what I see. I don't fall for the manipulation that the banks give. I try not to fall for it. I try not to fall for it. But when I see that price is going to drop, more than likely, it's going to drop. Like I said, as long as it respects this, and it drops back below, it's going to drop. It's not going to come back up. So that's why I'm still bearish, and that's not going to change until it passed above that line and with momentum and with volume. That's not going to change. Not going to change. Let you know that now. Go ahead. Because you making too much noise, sweetie. The whole world knows. This song catchy, man. It's really catchy.
Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, I'll sleep, I don't lie. Every pip count is stacking up slow. Compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. I'm shortcuts here, just to grind the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near.
You see how it's struggling? That's what you want. That's what you want. It's struggling to even push up. That's what you want. I'm just waiting for that drop. If we get that drop, that's perfect. If not, that's perfect. And another thing, I learned this back in the day. No matter what other people's analysis is, don't trust it. Trust yours. Because You never know. Yours could be the right one. Yours could be right. You could be right. And a lot of people could be wrong. And that's how it's going to be with me. I don't care what nobody say. I don't care if they say they bullish. I don't care if you made money, doing the scalp. I don't care. I see the big move. I see the big move. And if it don't go the way I want it to, fine. That's fine with me. I'm not mad. I won't get mad. I take the loss, I accept, that it didn't go my way, Sometimes it's not. You can't really predict the market like that. You can't predict the market. You gotta go based off of what it's telling you, And that's what I'm doing. And what I see that price is rejecting. It don't want to push up. Now, if it push up above this blue line, then hey, okay, we're bullish. We're bullish. I gotta see that close. I gotta see us close above here. Then I say, okay, all right, maybe it's time for me to switch over to the bullish side. Time it is. It's not even. Look, see how price is coming back down? That's a sign right there. And not just that. Like I said, if price wicks below, more than likely it's coming back down. And it goes up, more than likely it's coming straight back down. No hesitation. Just like what I said, I mean it. I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about. I know this. I'm telling you I know this. All that guy in the group gonna be like, dang, bro, you was right. You was right. But like, yeah, I know. And if I'm wrong, so be it. Okay, I'm wrong. Fine. That's fine with me. I put my stop loss a little bit above this. If it gets me in, that's what I'm gonna do. See our price coming down? That's perfect. That's what you want. That's what you want. You want price to start pushing back down. Keep that drawdown clean. I'm cashing out, living trade a dream. Yeah, express fun and no fear inside. I don't chase the market, I let it ride. From ever pain to that payout smile. Cash King got funded, it's been a while. All right, it's gonna be if it gets me in, hopefully it don't get me out. But my TP gonna be here. This gonna be TP1. TP2 gonna be here, and that's gonna be TP3 down there. Gonna change this color. Gonna be TP1 right here. Getting that back way. I'm getting that back. Welcome to the stream where the hustle don't sleep. Cash King live, yeah, the profits run deep. NAS on the rise, gold in my zone. Big plays only when I'm sitting on the throne. Yeah, yeah. Drop a deal if you feel that vibe. We trade it smart, we don't chase that hype. Chat going crazy when the candle drop low. Cash King name, yeah, they already know. Welcome to the stream. Turn me up, yeah, we living that dream. Every day another bag to redeem. Cash King live, this the winning team. Yeah, it's the winning team. Yeah, it's the winning team.
I'm riding
NAS100.
NAS100, speed like a jet. Candle flames burning, I ain't breaking a sweat. Charts on the screen, yeah, I'm watching every tick. Stacking up the profits.
See, we got rejection right here. It's below that rejection. That's perfect. That's perfect to me. It's below that rejection, and that's what I want. That's what I want. As long as price is below that rejection, that's what I'm looking for. Better yet, I want to see how much I'd be risking if I was to take that sale right now, which I'm not, but probably be risking about one something, to make how much.
Breakouts hitting, bulls run wild, a bear's taking over, I stay versatile, scalp it,
792,
flip it on sight, NAS100 money coming in all night.
1640. Oh, that'd be pretty good, wouldn't it? That'd be awesome. So I'm not risking that much. And if I lose this trade, then I'm done for the day. If I lose the trade, I'm done. I like that it's pushing back up. I like that. Because it's not going to fake me out. If it do decides to get me in, it's not going to fake me out. So that's what I want. I want price to do whatever it's trying to do right now. If it goes up, go up now. don't get me in and go up. Please don't. That's going to make me mad, bro. I'm gonna be hella mad, bro. I ain't going to lie.
Woke up early, charts on fire. NAS100 got me feeling inspired. Locked in risk, no FOMO trades. Discipline rich, that's how legends are made. Check the dashboard, profits gleam. Consistency rule, yeah, I know the scheme. Hit the profit target, patience on repeat. Now they sending that payout, feeling the lead. Payout season, yeah, I'm eating no stress. Top step, wired up, money looking blessed. 5 days green, keep that drawdown clean. Now I'm cashing out, living trade a dream. 50K account, now I'm stacking more. Got two funded, that's double the score. Risk control, tighter than my trade plan. One contract flip, I'm a made man. From the sim to the real, took some pain. Now I'm building wealth, not chasing fame. Withdraw, hit my bank, screen still glowing. Consistency locked, profit still growing. No tilt, no cap, I'm playing smart. Top step taught me discipline art. Every loss just part of the grind. Cash king mindset, peace of mind. Payout season, yeah, I'm eating no stress. Top step, wired up, money looking blessed. 5 days green, keep that drawdown clean. Now I'm cashing out, living trade a dream. Yeah, express funding, no fear inside. I don't chase the market, I let it ride. From ever pain to that payout smile. Cash king got funded, it's been a while.
Don't do it. Keep it open. Keep it open. Learn how to deal with your emotions. Don't do it. I'm gonna come in there. Leave it alone. Go sit down.
Secure that bag, let the market decide. Click that close, now my pocket's getting heavy.
That's nice. I like how everything is going. I like that. Don't put me in here and mess me up now. Please don't. Please don't. Begging you. There we go. We're in there.
From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine.
All right. 134.
Get that close, now my pocket's getting heavy. Discipline sharp, hands steady like a Chevy. Never get greedy, I just play my lane.
All right, if it gets above this wick, I'm out. I'm getting out. I don't even care. If it gets above this wick, I'm out. This shouldn't even come back above. If it come back above there, more than likely it's gonna push up. Look at the 1 minute. See what this 1 minute doing.
Started with 1,400, now I'm chasing racks. Turn a small account big, watch watch me run it back. NAS100 on the charts, gold in the frame, wrist tight, profit right, yeah, I'm locked in the game. 1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand, cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, no sleep, I don't lie. Every pip count is stacking up slow, compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand, cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. I'm shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts, from the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear, cash king the name and the time is near. Down low, vision stay high, discipline and focus, gotta stick it to a line. Every pip count is stacking up so compound that growth, they gon' know. Shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts, from the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear, cash king the name and the time is near. 1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan.
Gotta start falling from there. You start falling lower, it should reach at least that black box. It should reach here. If we start dropping now, it should reach here, and I can put it to break even if it reaches there.
Down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, I don't sleep, I don't lie. Every pip count is stacking up slow, compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand, cash king on the rise.
Next 1 minute gonna mean a lot.
No shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts, from the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear, cash king the name and the time is near.
All right, here the next 1 minute. This means a lot. It's the next 5 minute candlestick. There we go. Once it hit that black box, I'm gonna put it to break even.
Cash king live, yeah, the profits run deep. NAS on the rise, gold in my zone. Big plays only when I'm sitting on the throne. Yeah, I'm locking early, candles look.
I'm gonna bring my stop loss a little lower, because if it comes back above, then you already know.
Every trade I take, I'm getting that back way. I'm getting that back way. I'm getting that back. Welcome to the stream where the hustle don't sleep. Cash king live, yeah, the profits run deep. NAS on the rise, gold in my zone. Big plays only when I'm sitting on the throne. Yeah. Drop a deal if you feel that vibe. We trade it smart, we don't chase that hype. Chat going crazy when the candle drop low. Cash king name, yeah, they already know. Welcome, 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 welcome to the stream. Turn me up, yeah, we living that dream. Every day another bag to redeem. Cash king live, this the winning team, yeah. It's the winning team, yeah. It's the winning team.
Let's move it up just a little bit. Above that gray box. All right, this next 1 minute candlestick will be something serious. It lets me know everything, where it want to go. It get back in that gray box, then more than likely, we're probably going to continue to more than likely going to push up.
I'm watching every stock, stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back.
I don't want to pass this.
King of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand.
Still haven't dropped yet.
Candles
Still playing around.
I see opportunity clear right before my eyes. No FOMO, no greed, stick tight to the rules. Consistency daily, that's how winners stay.
There we go.
Stay sharp, never fold,
There
never
we go.
quit. Risk small, let it grow. Watch the
It dropped lower than the other wick. It should
continue.
continue. It should get to this green line.
I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand.
It should continue to push down.
I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. From red days to green days, as part of the climb, it's a marathon, hustle, not a sprint.
I don't like how it keep coming above. I don't like that.
Never fading, cash king on the charts, motivation trading. Stay focused, stay sharp.
Gotta stay below this.
Risk small, let it
Got
grow.
to.
Watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson. Bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand.
I'm riding NAS100, speed like a jet. Candle flames burning, I ain't breaking a sweat. Charts on the screen, yeah, I'm watching every tick. Stacking up the profits, make it flip real quick. Wrist tight, stops locked, playing like a king. Cash flow heavy when the market start to swing.
Still haven't broke it yet. Still haven't made his decision. I say once we pass this one, hit this box, and then start dropping, then that's when you would know. But right now, we still indecision. Still indecision.
Candle flames burning, I ain't breaking a sweat. Charts on the screen, yeah, I'm watching every tick. Stacking up the profits, make it flip real quick. Wrist stops locked, playing like a king. Cash flow heavy when the market starts to swing.
Still playing around.
Move fast, gotta ride that way. Cash king in the game, yeah, the bag gets saved. Breakouts hitting.
Start breaking below. Oh snap, I didn't mean to do that.
Flip it on sight. NAS100 money coming in all night.
Start breaking below this wick. There we go. There we go. There we go. Once we break that wick, it should head right to that box. And then I'll go ahead and I'm gonna put it to break even. But that's gonna let me know everything. If it comes back up, then it might just start pushing up. And the volume is it's increasing. The volume is definitely increasing. I don't know if it's increased to the downside. I need to check. Definitely need to check.
Charts on fire, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold.
I wonder if we're rejecting off of here. But that would be very dumb if we reject off of there. At least to me it would. I don't understand why would we reject off of here. Like what's so important about this area right here? So it's still good for me. Still good to me. Still haven't dropped the way I needed to drop. Not yet. We did come below this wick, but we pushed right back up. Need to get back down here, hit this box. Give me a second.
took some losses, but I'm still in the fight. Those 100 dreams, yeah, my future look bright. Charts get tough, but I level up. Cash king on the rise, I won't give up. Markets test me, but I stay strong. Every setback just makes me belong. Yeah, one day soon, I'ma fill my cup. Through the pain, through the struggle, I won't give up.
All right, there we go.
I took some losses, but I'm still in the fight. Now it's 100 dreams, yeah, my future look bright. Charts get tough, but I level up. Cash king on the rise, I won't give up. Markets test me, but I stay strong. Every setback just makes me belong. Hey, and one day soon, I'ma fill my cup. Through the pain, through the struggle, I won't give up.
Yes, sir. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this to break even, just in case it comes back up. I put it to break even. Maybe like 20. I take 20. I told you, boy. I know what I'm talking about. I be knowing.
Charts light up, I move with precision. Pip stacking daily, I'm locked in the vision. Now 100 climbing, gold in the bag. Wrist tight, stop loss, I don't chase, I snag. From 1-400, flipped at the racks. Discipline strong, I don't fall in the traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound the wins, that's what from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the cash king glow. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story.
I'll move it up just a little bit.
Demo to live, now the cash king go.
I take 5. See if it's gonna reject off of this. Oh, got me out. Get in, get right back in.
Charts light up, I move with precision.
I risk 49.
I'm locked in the vision. Now 100 climbing, gold in the bag. Wrist tight, stop loss, I don't chase, I snag. From 1-400, flipped at the racks. Discipline strong, I don't fall in the traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound the wins, that's well from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the cash king glow.
All right, this could go against me. This really can, but we see. I don't know. I really don't know. Long as price continue to push down, be good. All right. I'm gonna bring it down just a little bit. I risk 40. I don't want to risk too much.
I'm grinding every sunrise, vision in my sight, stacking up the knowledge. I'm prepared for the fight. From the late nights hustling to the charts I slay, I know I'm gonna touch $1 million one day. Pressure turned to diamonds, and I was built from the pain. Every loss is just a lesson, every scar is a gain. Cash king mentality, I pay my own.
I don't like that we rejected off here. I really don't.
Bank account heavy, that's
It could start pushing up.
Dreams ain't distant, I can feel it in my hands. Turning small flips daily to a legacy. Turning small flips daily to a legacy to stand.
Okay. We reject off of that. That's perfect. That would be perfect if we reject off of this. This would be nice to reject off of. More than likely, it's gonna hit. It's gonna hit. It's gonna hit my stop loss. More than likely, it's too close. Usually, it come up a little bit more anyway. But who knows? We see.
Wake up early, markets on my mind, charts in my vision, profits on the ground.
There we go. All right, so what I'm gonna do, this is what I'm gonna take the same trade. Take the same trade. Take it again. If it decides to push lower, take it again. Better yet, I'm gonna take it right here. Take it right here this time. I don't think it's finished. I just don't think it's finished. I could be wrong, but I don't think it's finished. I think price is gonna come right back down. And I risk about 45. So sometimes NAS would do that. It would come back up just to come right back down. It would do the same thing, but this time it would go. And that's head and shoulders. I do see head and shoulders right here too. Right here, right here, right here. We test the neckline we put down. We at the neckline right now. So it'd be the same thing that it did here. Hold up, let me zoom out a little bit. A little bit more. Right here. The same thing. Now I don't know if it's gonna play out the same way. But you see this head and shoulders, boom, 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 drop. We tested that neckline, and that's what we doing here. That's what it looked like it's doing here. Same thing. Boom, 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 boom. Retest the neckline, drop. So if that happens, it should drop down here. That'd be a $270 profit, but I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it a little bit more because I do feel like it's gonna drop way more than that. Again, I really do. But again, we're gonna have to see. I don't know because it could just decide to push up. As long as I'm above this major zone, you know, none of that matters. It don't even matter as long as I'm above that red zone. I mean that gray box. Let's see how it play out. We just got to start dropping. We ain't dropping the way I wanted to.
Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy.
See, we're rejecting off that major zone again. That's perfect. Once that momentum start picking up, it'll keep dropping. It'll keep dropping, baby. It'll keep dropping. I promise you, it's gonna keep dropping. I'm gonna put it to break even just in case. Just in case it come up, I'm putting it to break even. I ain't trying to lose nothing. Better yet, nah. Let me put it up because it's too close to my entry. I don't want to get psyched out and then it go. It get past this black line, at least right here. This one I'm gonna put it at break even, right here. Once it gets right here, I'm gonna put it at break even.
Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story.
It passed this right here and then gets here because it's once it passed this right here, it should start pushing down a little harder with momentum. I don't like that it's pushing up like that. I really don't. But it'd be nice if we reject off that major zone one more time before we start pushing down. But if it passed this, it's gonna push up. It's gonna push up here. And that's what I don't want. Then I'm gonna have to wait. I have to wait for it to come right back down. I'm not really trying to do that. But we still in profit. We're still up 342. So that's actually really good. So even if it do whatever it's trying to do, we still get another trade. Well, I still get another trade to trade.
From 1.4K to the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Loss is just less, if profits in my hand, cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. I'm shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts, from the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear, cash king the name and the time is near.
If I was you, I'd get out. Whoever, if anybody taking this trade, I get out. If you don't want to lose, I get out. But I'm staying in. I gotta see it through.
To the big 10 bands, discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Loss is just less, if profits in my hand, cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low.
There we go. There we go. Start falling. Start falling. That's what I need you to do. Just continue to fall. And once we pass this, it's gonna be easy. It's gonna be easier. Past this box, even more easier. Past this red box, 100% easier because it hit down here, then it just keep dropping. That's what I'm expecting for it. That's what I'm expecting out of it. We stopped struggling, but the buyer's still basically fighting back because we still in the buy zone. We still in that buy zone, too close to this major zone. But once price start getting further and further and further away from this major zone right here, that's when price gonna start picking up the speed. But since we still kind of close to that major zone, that's why it's moving. That's why it's moving and keep trying to push up to this major zone, because the buyers are trying to push it up. But once the sellers fully come in, and once price gets to a certain point and the sellers start really coming in, past this red box, boom, it's just gonna drop. It's just gonna drop hard. So still not in the clear. Not in the clear yet until price pass this red box.
I know I'm gonna touch $1 million one day. Pressure turned to diamonds, and I was built from the pain. Every loss is just a lesson. Every scar.
I have a feeling it's gonna hit my stop loss though.
Cash king mentality, I pay my own way. A bank account heavy, that's the goal I portray. Dreams ain't distant, I can feel it in my hands. Turning small flips daily to a legacy. Turning small flips daily to a legacy that stands.
We need a huge drop, a really, really huge drop. That's what we need. Come on, Banks, push it down. Push it down, Banks. Go ahead, push this thing down. A long, strong candlestick. We need to come down.
Yeah. Yeah. Cash king in the zone again. Top step payout, I'm gone again. Started from eval, now I'm on the throne. Click that withdraw profit in my phone. Payout season, yeah, I'm eating no stress. Top step wired up, money looking blessed. 5 days green, keep that drawdown clean. Now cashing out, living trade.
Still rejecting. That's good. That's a good sign. As long as we still reject, that's all that matters. That's a really good sign. A really good sign.
Discipline rich, that's how legends are made. Check the dashboard, profits gleam. Consistency rule, yeah, I know the scheme. Hit the profit target.
Let's move this thing up just a little bit. Move it up just a little bit.
No stress. Top step wired up, money looking blessed. 5 days green, keep that drawdown clean. Now I'm cashing out, living trade a dream. 50K count, now I'm stacking more. Got two funded, that's double the score. Risk control tighter than my trade.
I'm not gonna move it up no more. If it hit it, what I would do is I take the same trade again. Because if it come back down, it shouldn't do the same thing. It shouldn't do the same thing, but sometimes it do. You're gonna see.
Top step wired up, money looking blessed. 5 days green, keep that drawdown clean. Now I'm cashing out, living trade a dream. Yeah, express funding, no fear inside. I don't chase the market, I let it ride. From ever paying to that payout smile. Cash king got funded, it's been.
All right, it's gonna get me out. It's gonna get me out. All right, got me out. I'm gonna take the same trade. Take the same trade. Take it right here. It shouldn't do the same thing. It shouldn't.
Candle turn green, that's the story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king.
How much did I lose so far? I only lost $80, so that's not bad. 87. That's not bad at all. So if price come back down, I should recover all that I lost. Now if price start pushing up, then we're bullish. Then we're bullish. And I don't know if I want to take it. Might just watch it a little bit to see what it do. Go to the 5 minute. Because we still have rejection up here. Like I said, we still in the sale until price breaks out of this fully. and fully go up. If price don't break out of that fully, then still bearish.
Discipline first, that's the code I'll uphold. Cash king status when I'm treating that gold.
All right. Might be bullish. Might be bullish now. Might be bullish. But that's a long candlestick. That's a really long candlestick for the 5 minute.
Hit that chart, watch the candles glow. Stacking up gains, yeah, my money gon' grow. Locked in my profit, I don't let it slide. Secure that bag, let the market decide. Click that close, now my pocket's getting heavy. Discipline, sharp hands, steady like a Chevy. Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game. Wrist stay tight, but the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000.
Let's see what it's gonna do right here.
Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine.
Strong possibility. It might come right back down. But if not, just gonna have to accept that it's gonna push up. And just take it to the upside.
Discipline, sharp hands, steady like a Chevy. Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game. Wrist stay tight, but the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine.
I'm riding NAS100, speed like a jet. Candle flames burning, I ain't breaking a sweat. Charts on the screen, yeah, I'm watching every tick. Stacking up the profits, make it flip real quick. Wrist tight, stops locked, playing like a king. Cash flow heavy when the market start to swing.
I'm gonna let this sit. I'm gonna let it sit. I have my entry right here. I'm still gonna take the same trade, same setup and everything. If it gets down here, I'm taking it. I don't care. I'm taking it. I still feel like we're bearish. To me, I'm still gonna believe in my setup. Now, if we start pushing up, then hey, we just gonna start pushing up. But I still believe that price wants to push down. I'm not gonna fall for it until price start really pushing up. But I'm still gonna say we're bearish. That's just me. I gotta trust my setup. I have to. Just because of, what it looks now doesn't mean that we're going up. Doesn't mean that we're going up. It just looked like that right now. So, hey, it is what it is. I'm gonna catch it. I'm telling you, I'm gonna catch it. When I tell you I'm gonna catch something, I'm gonna catch it. Promise you that. Whether it's a buy or a sell. If we buy and above here, then more than likely it's going to come up here. But we still have levels that it can come to. Still have levels that it can come to. Right? Boom. Maybe it want to test a certain level before we drop. Who knows? But I'm still leaning to the bearish side. I'm still leaning over there. That's just the way it is. Still leaning to the bearish side. I wonder if it's gonna touch here or here before we start pushing right back down. So I'm gonna mute my mic. I'm gonna let it do what it do. Let it cook up. Whatever it's trying to cook up, let it cook up. And telling you, you make some money with this one. Promise you that.
Drop a deal if you feel that vibe. We trade it smart, we don't chase that hype. Chat going crazy when the candle drop low. Cash king name, yeah, they already know. Welcome to the stream. Turn me up, yeah, we living that dream. Every day another bag to redeem. Cash king live, this the winning team, yeah. It's the winning team, yeah. It's the winning team.
took some losses, but I'm still in the fight. Those 100 dreams, yeah, my future look bright. Charts get tough, but I level up. Cash king on the rise, I won't give up. Markets test me, but I stay strong. Every setback just makes me belong. Yeah, one day soon I'ma fill my cup. Through the pain, through the struggle, I won't give up. I took some losses, but I'm still in the fight. There's 100 dreams, yeah, my future look bright. Charts get tough, but I level up. Cash king on the rise, I won't give up. Markets test me, but I stay strong. Every setback just makes me belong. And one day soon I'ma fill my cup. Through the pain, through the struggle, I won't give up. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Cash king in the zone again. Top step payout, I'm gone again. Started from eval, now I'm on the throne. Click that withdraw, profit in my phone. Payout season, yeah, I'm eating no stress. Top step wired up, money looking blessed. 5 days green, keep that drawdown clean. Now I'm cashing out, living trade a dream. Woke up early, charts on fire. NAS100 got me feeling inspired. Locked in risk, no FOMO trades. Discipline rich, that's how legends are made. Check the dashboard, profits gleam. Consistency rule, yeah, I know the scheme. Hit the profit target, patience on repeat. Now they sending that payout, feeling the lead. Payout season, yeah, I'm eating no stress. Top step wired up, money looking blessed. 5 days green, keep that drawdown clean. Now I'm cashing out, living trade a dream. 50K account, now I'm stacking more. Got two funded, that's double the score. Risk control, tighter than my trade plan. One contract flip, I'm a made man. From the sim to the real, took some pain. Now I'm building wealth, not chasing fame. Withdraw, hit my bank, screen still glowing. Consistency locked, profit still growing. No tilt, no cap, I'm playing smart. Top step taught me discipline art. Every loss just part of the grind. Cash king mindset, peace of mind. Payout season, yeah, I'm eating no stress. Top step wired up, money looking blessed. 5 days green, keep that drawdown clean. Now I'm cashing out, living trade a dream. Yeah, express funding, no fear inside. I don't chase the market, I let it ride. From ever pain to that payout smile. Cash king got funded, it's been a while. Wake up early, markets on my mind. Charts in my vision, profits on the grind. Discipline steady, emotions on lock. Patience is the weapon when I'm watching every stock. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. Candles dancing, momentum on the rise. I see opportunity clear right before my eyes. No FOMO, no greed, stick tight to the rules. Consistency daily, that's how winners stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. From red days to green days, that's part of the climb. It's a marathon hustle, not a sprint this time. So I trade with conviction, vision never fading. Cash king on the charts, motivation trading. Stay focused, stay sharp, never fold, never quit. Risk small, let it grow, watch the profits legit. Every loss just a lesson, bounce back with a plan. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand. I'm the king of my journey with the mouse in my hand.
Started with 1400, now I'm chasing racks. Turn a small account big, watch me run it back. Now it's 100 on the charts, gold in the frame. Wrist tight, profit right, yeah, I'm locked in the game. 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, I don't sleep, I don't lie. Every pip counting, stacking up slow. Compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. I'm shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near. Third down low, my vision stay high. Ain't no putting focus, gotta stick it to a line. Every pip count is stacking up, so compound that growth, they gon' know. Shortcuts here, just to grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near. 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low. But 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. Draw down low, but my vision stay high. Late nights grinding, I don't sleep, I don't lie. Every pip counting, stacking up slow. Compound that growth, let the whole world know. From 1.4K to the big 10 bands. Discipline and focus, gotta stick to the plan. Losses just lessons, profits in my hand. Cash king on the rise, they gon' know who I am. No shortcuts here, just the grind in the charts. From the bottom to the top, yeah, I'm playing it smart. 10K target, vision crystal clear. Cash king the name and the time is near.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Took a while to get here, but we here.
Yeah, yeah.
We here. It's gonna reject off of here. That's why I have my stop loss, my entry just a little underneath this, because it can happen. It can reject like right up in here. But we made it back underneath this parts of that major zone. So I don't know. We'll see.
Bulls run wild, bears taking over. I stay versatile. Scalp it, swing it, flip it on sight. NAS100 money coming in all night. I'm riding NAS100, speeding like a jet. Candle flames burning, I ain't breaking a sweat. Charts on the screen, yeah, I'm watching every tick. Stacking up the profits, make it flip real quick. Wrist stops locked, playing like a king. Cash flow heavy when the market start to swing. Indices move fast, gotta ride that way. Cash king in the game, yeah, the bag gets saved. Breakouts hitting, bulls run wild. A bear's taking over, I stay versatile. Scalp it, swing it, flip it on sight. NAS100 money coming in all night.
All right, are we gonna reject off of here, or what are we doing? If we reject, then I'm not interested. I'm gonna go ahead and get off live. Once it passes that blue line, I'm gonna just go ahead and get off live.
Locked in my profit, I don't let it slide. Secure that bag, let the market decide. Click that close, now my pocket's getting heavy. Discipline, sharp hands, study like a Chevy. Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game. Wrist stay tight, but the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine.
All right, I'm going mute again.
Get that close, now my pocket's getting heavy. Discipline, sharp hands, steady like a Chevy. Never get greedy, I just play my lane. Profit in the bank, that's the name of the game. Wrist stay tight, but the profit gon' run. Stack it up daily, man, I'm having some fun. From 100 to 1,000, watch the digits climb. Taking profits all day, yeah, the market is mine. I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green, that's a story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. I'm chasing profits, watch the metal unfold. Candle turn green, that's a story of gold. Safe in the storm when the markets get cold. Stacking my wins while the profits take hold. Charts on fire, yeah, the setup look clean. Patience in the game, keep my risk routine. Discipline first, that's the code I uphold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold. Cash king status when I'm trading that gold.
Cash King in the building. Grab your snacks, grab your charts, let's get it. Welcome to the stream where the hustle don't sleep. Cash King live, yeah, the profits run deep. NAS on the rise, gold in my zone. Big plays only when I'm sitting on the throne, yeah. I'm locking early, candles look mean. Wrist tight, entries clean, you know the routine. Top step funded, payout stack. Every trade I take, I'm getting that back. I'm getting that back. I'm getting that back. Welcome to the stream where the hustle don't sleep. Cash king live, yeah, the profits run deep. NAS on the rise, gold in my zone. Big plays only when I'm sitting on the throne. Hey, drop a deal if you feel that vibe. We trade it smart, we don't chase that hype. Chat going crazy when the candle drop low. Cash king name, yeah, they already know. Welcome, 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 welcome to the stream. Turn me up, yeah, we living that dream. Every day another bag to redeem. Cash king live, this the winning team, yeah. It's the winning team, yeah. It's the winning team.
I'm grinding every sunrise, vision in my sight, stacking up the knowledge, I'm prepared for the fight. From the late nights hustling to the charts I slay, I know I'm gonna touch $1 million one day. Pressure turned to diamonds and I was built from the pain. Every loss is just a lesson, every scar is a gain. Cash king mentality, I pay my own way. A bank account heavy, that's the goal I portray. Dreams ain't distant, I can
It's looking really good. I'm not gonna lie. Looking really good, honestly. But once price start getting below, we're good to go. This be my last trade for the day though. I'm just gonna lock it.
Cause I know I'm gonna make $1 million one.
There we go. This be my last trade for the day. If it hit my stop loss, I'm done. That's good enough. All right, let's see. Let's see what it do. This should be it. It shouldn't even come back above. Really shouldn't.
Discipline strong, I don't fall in the traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound the wins, that's well from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle
straight down. Straight down, baby. Straight down. Right here. 772. That's perfect. Perfect to me. All right, let's see.
No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle,
all right, I'm done. I'm done. I'm gonna let this sit. If it hits my stop loss, so be it. So be it. I tried. You know what I mean? Stuck to my setup. I tried. So it is what it is.
Shorts light up, I move with precision. Pip stacking daily, I'm locked in the vision. Now 100 climbing, gold in the bag. Wrist tight, stop loss, I don't chase, I snag. From 1-400, flipped at the racks. Discipline strong, I don't fall in the traps. Profit withdrawals, I'm playing it smart. Compound the wins, that's well from the start. Success in my trades, patience the key. No FOMO, no greed, just strategy. Every candle a story, I read and I flow. From demo to live, now the Cash King glow. I took some losses, but I'm still in the fight.
All right, if this hit my stop loss, I'm done for the day. I ain't gonna try. Gonna try nothing else. Hopefully it don't though, but who knows? But all you do is press this and you slide it up.
On the rise, I won't give up. Markets test me, but I stay strong. Every setback just makes me belong. Yeah, one day soon, I'ma fill my cup. Through the pain, through the struggle, I won't.
All right, if it rejects and stop pushing up, that's an L. It's an L. I don't know telling how many L's we took. We had some W's, but it didn't keep going that way. It decided to turn back around. So
NAS100 dreams, yeah, my future look bright. Charts get tough, but I level up. Cash King on the rise, I won't give up. Markets test me, but I stay strong. Every setback just makes me belong. And one day soon, I'ma fill my cup. Through the pain, through the struggle, I won't give up.
all right, that's it. That's it for me. I'm out. So took an L. No telling what it's gonna do. I don't know what it's gonna do. If it come back down, I might take another trade-off stream. I don't know, but it keeps doing the same thing. I just don't have time for it to keep doing the same thing. It might decide to push up like it want to do. So if that's what happens, then there's nothing I can do about that. But that's all I got. Hopefully tomorrow we can get a dub, or maybe I can get a dub off stream. We see. But I'll keep you updated tomorrow. Let you know what happened, and so be it. Yes, sir. Let's go. Cash King out.